Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to apologize to my big brother to UK once again. So sorry, last time I made some extremely rude sarcastic remarks, but honestly, my own country, Japan, is not the position at laugh at the others. To the truth, our Ministry of Finance, similar to Pakistan Ministry of Finance, same position having that, is doing such a terrible job that we are in serious trouble right now. Japan has been stuck in economic stagnation for about 30 years. 30 years, very long, and things are not looking great. It seems like that tax politics of the finance ministry are the major problem, is saying. Many other channels are covering in detail, so feel free to check these out too in YouTube or X, TikTok, or so. Japan is a remarkable country. I like my country. In the past, we were the first to humble the powerful countries like Russia and Empire during the revolutionary period. But the, we have the issue. We tend to swing between extremes and good terms, bad terms. For example, 800 years ago, we fought and maybe it won against the terrifying Mongol Empire, proving ourselves as a warrior nation. Very strong, my sense. But after war, our finance took major hit in rude politics. We were completely we are completely devastated in World War II. Yet, within 40 years, we became the world's leading economic power. But I feel like that we go through cycles of extreme decline and sudden resurgence. Recently, Japan has been in a decline phase, but something interesting is happening. That where there are protests demanding the dissolution of the Ministry of Finance. What crazy down Japan, the people were rarely protest like um, moving, running. So, but and consider the workplace for um, the and the Ministry of Finance, the protest coming is generally considered a workplace for very elite. So the fact that facing protest is a pretty big deal, and yet this isn't being reported on Japan TV at all. It seems like the men in this deliberately ignoring it. And the something like happening in Pakistan too. I, I sometimes watch GEO News. Is it true to read? Geo News? GEO News? But think I still struggle to understand Urdu only. I can fully grasp some world like Bahot or Wake, like Karachi, Islamabad, or so. Um, I'm keeping improving my Urdu language. Across. If I across any other interesting things, I'll be sure to share them to watchers. I hope I using Urdu. I'll keeping studies. Let me know if you need any adjustments. And today that's all. Shukriya और फिर मिलेंगे